Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can delete character in Linky AI. So the first step you need to do is to open Linky AI app, and then you need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom, and then you need to click on work, and you need to select your character. So I want to select this one and click on the profile picture of that character on the top. Okay, and then you need to click on three bars on the top right. Click on this pencil icon. So currently you can see that you have two options, public and private. So you can make your character private and no one will be able to see. It seems like delete, but only you are able to see this. Click on submit. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.